Here we go. Another successful pondless waterfall by Pond Paradise Designs. Let's go check this out. It's a double waterfall going into a meandering stream coming down into a pondless pit. Got some nice surrounding marsh rocks around the edge. The water's babbling down. Coming down 2 pumps worth right there of waterfall. Right there. Alright, coming down like that. Look at these colorful plants on the outside looking really nice. Coming in like that. Yeah, nice wide spillway up there. ×2. Both pumps feeding into one waterfall on the bottom. Coming down. Little side view action. More colorful plants. Gentleman we built it for is a military man. Got nice statues going on. Beautiful maple up top. Man, what a home run. Really nice backing of it. We got a marsh rock wall in the back. We got big grass plants. Some nice edging straight with the mulch. And going around the back. Love these plants. Gorgeous plants. What color? Those are perennial and they do come back. Another nice side over here. There you go. Put a little topsoil down for some seed later in the front. Around the back. I would have to say that this job absolutely deserves a salute. God bless America.